Hello my people out there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is what is Salesforce, what is ServiceNow, what exactly these two platform does. Okay, see, recently I have received huge comment on this topic. You people asking the question like what exactly this Salesforce and the ServiceNow, which we need to choose. What happened is recently Accenture sent one mail on this. Okay, two mails they have sent, might be on the training of these two topics. Okay, so the second mail what they have sent, they clearly mentioned it is just a survey. Okay, they are just taking the survey from their employees, so you need to select anyone, right? They have given one link. When you click on that link, you will be redirected to one page where you need to select either ServiceNow or Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce, if you select, there is some less hours, like 45 hours of training, and if you select the ServiceNow, there will be somewhere around 200 hours of training, right? You can select either of them. Okay, either you can select the Salesforce or you can select ServiceNow based on your choice. It's completely your interest, but still I have come up with some knowledge on this topic. You can watch the complete video to understand what exactly these two topics is, what exactly these two platform does. Okay, so watch the complete video to get some understanding on this topic. Okay, if you have anything, just do let me know in the comment section below. So let's just see what exactly this Salesforce and the ServiceNow platform gives. See, as per my understanding, this Salesforce and the ServiceNow is a cloud-based services. You might have heard this platform like SaaS, software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, right? You might have studied this. So these two, ServiceNow and the Salesforce, comes under platform as a service. So basically the choice between the Salesforce and the ServiceNow is totally dependent on your business needs. They both are excellent in their support and the service, but they are not same. Okay, when we talk about the Salesforce come into the market in the early stages compared to the ServiceNow, because Salesforce introduced in the market in the early stages, like in 1999 the Salesforce is got introduced. That's why it has got lots of popularity in the market. Okay, whereas ServiceNow introduced in the market in 2004, I guess. Yeah, in 2004 ServiceNow introduced in the market. That is also getting popularity now, but the thing is Salesforce come to the market in the really early stages. Okay, that's why it has gained a lot of popularity and it has a lot of customers. That's why Salesforce is known to everyone as compared to the ServiceNow. ServiceNow comes into picture in 2004 and it was named as Glitsoft. When it was come in 2004, the first name what it got is Glitsoft. Okay, the end of 2000s, the name ServiceNow comes into picture. Okay, Salesforce is a customer relationship management platform, whereas ServiceNow is a IT service management platform. Okay, they both are acquiring different platform based on the company's business needs. Okay, Salesforce is basically to streamline the company sales. Really support become really good to boost up the sales. For example, let's say we'll go to DMart, we'll go to big bazaars, right? This is a huge outlets where we buy our daily need products. So when we go there, they'll ask our number, right? When we go for the billing, they'll ask a number. When we give a number, they'll give the details like you have some points or something like that. They'll have already data stored in that in their systems. So those data, how they are storing, they'll come to know exactly you are the old customer or you are a new customer. Everything they'll come to know. How? See, what will happen is through API, it will update to the cloud. The cloud updates the data in all their systems. That's how they'll come to know exactly you are a new customer or you are a old customer. Everything is stored in the cloud. Okay, Salesforce is not only limited to the billing software. Okay, you can add any extra components or the modules in that. Let's say if you want to add any inventory module, you can add it. If you want to add any customer support module, you can add it. You can add anything in that. Okay, it also required technical knowledge for this sending the data to the cloud and updating to their system. How they'll do it's with the help of their developers and the admins. Okay, they'll be having the developers and the admins. They'll do their job. Okay, so developers, what will do is they will modify their Salesforce software as per the company requirement. They will modify it. They'll add the things, whatever is required, whatever the requirement is given by the company, as per that they will update the software. Okay, so to do that, they should know, the developer should know some technical languages, like some OOPS concepts they should know, some Java knowledge they should have, and they should have some database knowledge, right? So basically all these are not currently using in the Salesforce. Salesforce is using the languages which is not much popular, like Apex and the Lightning. So using Apex, you no need to set up the ID, all those things is not required, because in force.com what they'll do is they'll put all their emulators and ID, everything they'll put it. You no need to set up the ID as you do it in other things. So here you just need to do the things directly on the website. You no need to set up the ID, all those things is not required in Salesforce. You just need to do everything in the website directly. Okay, coming to Lightning, Lightning is also a front-end language like HTML. You can drag and drop the things and you can do whatever you want. Okay, you just need to have some little knowledge towards like HTML. You should know some database knowledge, you should have Excel knowledge, you should have. So some basic knowledge is required to get hands-on with the Salesforce. So if you are choosing Salesforce, then if you're going towards admin side, then no need to have programming knowledge skill, like programming language, whichever that is not required if you're going towards admin side. If you're going towards development side, then little bit of programming knowledge is required, like HTML, database, some little bit of knowledge is required, but not like a Java developer or the .NET developers, not that much. Okay, I hope you are cleared with this now, what exactly Salesforce is. Okay, so if you want to go with this Salesforce, you will be having certifications for admin also, for developer also. Like for admin, I think ADM 201, that is what the certification is there, and for development we have DEV 201. So these are the two certifications available in Salesforce for developer and the admin. If you want, you can do it. So to conclude that, Salesforce is a CRM which uses API to send or redirect data to the cloud, using which the data can be scattered all over the system. APIs which they are using is SOAP and REST. So coming to database management things in Salesforce, they use SQL language, SQL, that is required to get the data from the cloud. Okay, SQL language is must to have. See, to get into Salesforce, you should not require much knowledge on programming, like how .NET developers, Java developers are doing right now. That much knowledge is not required, but little bit of programming knowledge is doing well with this. Really easy. What is required here is people skills. So if you want to learn more towards technical skills, then Salesforce is not a good domain for you. Okay, I can tell you which companies use Salesforce is like Walmart, Amazon, Spotify, Cisco, and also Toyota. Accenture is also using Salesforce. See, Accenture use both Salesforce and the ServiceNow because they have both the business needs. Okay, that's why they use both. That's why they are asking with the customers which training is required, because they have both the platforms available. Okay, the ServiceNow is this IT service management platform. It helps to automate IT business management. ServiceNow, you should have good coding knowledge, more knowledge towards technical side. You should have good coding knowledge as compared to Salesforce. You should require more coding knowledge here in ServiceNow, but it is easier than developers like Java developers, .NET developers, easier than that. Okay, ServiceNow, it is a platform where we build application on the cloud. It provides IT service management application and helps in automating many organizational workflow activity. Basically, ServiceNow is used by Intel, Dell, Capgemini, Johnson & Johnson, ING. ServiceNow will be used in this type of companies. Accenture is also using it. ServiceNow uses Apache and Tomcat as a web server. In terms of database management, it is using MySQL. Okay, and language Java. Technical language Java is must to opt for ServiceNow domain. Okay, coming to certification, we have CIS, CAD, CAS, CSA. What exactly these abbreviations are? CIS is nothing but Certified Implementation Specialist. CAD is nothing but Certified Application Developer. CAS is nothing but Certified Application Specialist, and CSA is nothing but Certified System Administrator. Okay, these are the certification available to opt for ServiceNow. Okay, you can do it and you can choose the domain based on your requirement. So we basically know that there is no comparison between Salesforce and ServiceNow. Okay, it's totally depend on the company's business needs. Salesforce has huge technology with different tools and applications. It is one of the most relevant cloud-based servers preferred by client to implement in their sales of their company. Okay, whereas ServiceNow is focusing on their infrastructure management for client. It is basically built for support process in the company. ServiceNow is handling many operations to help with overall IT management. Okay, I think both are two famous customer service apps which are offering complete CRM solution in market. Some similarities and differences also. Okay, so to conclude the topic, Salesforce is a world #1 CRM platform with a cloud-based server. It's used for sale, service, marketing and many other. It does not require any IT expert to manage. It is just simply log in and manage. Start connecting to customer in new way. Okay, both are American cloud-based software company. ServiceNow can integrate with any other tool. It has digital workflow that create great experience. I think the real choice of this depends on completely their business needs. Both are suitable for different businesses. Both are different in their point and view, and both have space in the market. Okay, I think based on my understanding, I have explained each and every point on Salesforce and ServiceNow topic, because the Salesforce and ServiceNow is a huge topic. In just couple of minutes, we cannot conclude anything. We cannot come up with some great explanation, but some differences and similarities which I have discussed in this video, I hope you got it. Whatever I have discussed here, I hope you got some understanding toward these two topics and you found it really helpful. If yes, then just like the video and subscribe to my channel. Enable the bell icon to get notified for any latest video of mine. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.